Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 best drones on Amazon in 2026. Whether you are a beginner, a travel vlogger, or someone looking for professional level aerial shots, this list covers the best options based on camera quality, flight time, features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the most advanced compact drones available in 2026. It comes with a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor, shoots stunning 4K video, and stays under 249 grams, which means no registration in many regions. This Fly More combo includes 3 batteries and the DJI RC-N3 controller. This drone delivers exceptional image quality, even in low light. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing makes flying safer, especially for beginners. Active Track 360 allows smooth subject tracking, and the 225-degree gimbal rotation gives creators more creative angles than most mini drones. Pros: excellent 1-inch sensor with sharp 4K video, advanced obstacle avoidance, lightweight and travel-friendly. Long flight time with 3 batteries, professional-level tracking features. If you want the best overall mini drone with near-professional performance, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a top-tier choice in 2026. Number 2. GPS Drone with Camera 4K for Adults. This GPS drone is designed for beginners and casual users. It features a 4K camera, brushless motors, GPS positioning, and advanced flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Circle Fly. It weighs under 249 grams and offers up to 46 minutes of flight time. The drone is very beginner-friendly thanks to its GPS-assisted flight and auto-return function. Video quality is solid for the price, and the foldable design makes it easy to carry. While it does not match DJI in stabilization, it performs well for everyday aerial photography. Pros: offerable 4K drone, easy to fly for beginners, GPS and auto-return features, compact and foldable, good battery life. This drone is a great budget-friendly option for beginners who want 4K video without spending too much money. Number 3. Skyrover X1 Fly More Combo. The Skyrover X1 offers impressive specs, including 4K video recording, 8K photo capability, under 249 grams weight, and an extended flight time of up to 96 minutes with 3 batteries. It also claims ultra-long transmission range. The Skyrover X1 stands out with its long battery life, making it ideal for long outdoor sessions. The photo quality is sharp, and the drone performs well in stable weather conditions. It is more feature-packed than most non-DJI drones in this price range. Pros: extremely long flight time, 8K photo capability, lightweight design, Fly More combo included, strong value for money. If flight time is your top priority, the Skyrover X1 is a strong alternative to more expensive brands. Number 4. Skyrover S1 Mini Drone Combo. The Skyrover S1 mini drone features a 4K camera capable of 60 FPS video, 48 MP photos, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and up to 120 minutes of total flight time with 3 batteries. It also includes auto tracking and long-range video transmission. This drone delivers smooth footage thanks to its 3-axis gimbal, which is rare at this weight and price. The high-resolution photos and extended flight time make it suitable for content creators who want long shooting sessions without frequent battery changes. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, longest total flight time on this list, sharp 4K 60 FPS video, under 249 grams, strong tracking features. The Skyrover S1 is an excellent choice for creators who want smooth footage and long flight sessions without paying DJI prices. Number 5. DJI Mini 4K Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 4K is a lightweight drone featuring a 4K UHD camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and up to 93 minutes of total flight time with 3 batteries. It also supports quick shots and a 10-kilometer video transmission range. This drone offers reliable DJI flight stability at a more affordable price. The camera quality is consistent, The controls are precise, and the safety features make it perfect for beginners. It may lack advanced obstacle sensing, but it delivers stable and high-quality footage. Pros: reliable DJI flight stability, excellent 3-axis gimbal, easy to fly, long battery life with combo, great value for beginners. These were the top 5 best drones on Amazon in 2026. If you want the best overall performance, go for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. For beginners on a budget, the GPS 4K drone is a solid option. If long flight time matters most, Skyrover models offer excellent value. So that's it for our list of the top 5 best drones on Amazon in 2026. I hope this video helped you find the right drone based on your needs and budget. All the product links are available in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and buying guides. Let me know in the comments which drone you like the most, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.